Good morning, busy dads and busy people everywhere. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. This is the channel all about the Busy Dad program. And my friends, the Busy Dad program is the remarkably simple, effective and time-efficient training protocol that I've been following for the past 3.5 years since I became a dad. I created this program just as a way of maintaining some bare minimum of fitness, but what I found is that following this protocol has actually got me the fittest and the strongest that I've ever been. For 3.5 years, I have not trained for longer than 80 minutes per week, and yet I'm in better shape than I was when I trained for 80 minutes per day. It still baffles me when I think about it, and it's the reason that I created this channel, to spread the word to all of you busy dads and busy people out there. This training protocol works. If you want to know more about why it works, please do me a couple of favors. Check out busydadtraining.com and subscribe to this channel, where you will find a wealth of information about the program and where I also share my own journey as a practitioner of the program. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my Navy SEAL workout for the day, and I'm really excited. I just feel a general sense of energy, vitality and gratitude that I get to train. It's a real joy. It enhances everything else in life. And if you're on the fence about whether to train today, please watch this video and use it as inspiration, because I guarantee that you will feel better if you do. Not only will you feel better, but you will be a better person, a better father. There's nothing that doesn't get enriched by a good training session. So we're going to be hitting our Navy SEALs. Navy SEAL burpees are an unbelievably effective way of activating the upper body. And I'm currently a level 4 practitioner of the Busy Dad program. My Navy SEAL training practice is something I'm returning to now, having put it on the back burner for a little while. I recently hit 135 Navy SEALs in 20 minutes. And there's been a slight a decline in my Navy SEALs. I was at around 140 a couple of weeks back, and every session I've been losing a couple of reps. Today I'd like to at least hold 135. I'd be very happy if I can do that. And then the idea will be to start building back, starting to approach those graduation numbers over the next couple of weeks. So my friends, enough spiel from me. Let's get down to work. Three, 2, 1, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 26. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 28. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 35. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 39. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 44. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 45. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 47. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 48. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 51. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 52. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 54. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 55. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 57. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 58. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 59. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 61. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 62. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 63. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 64. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 65. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 66. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 67. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 68. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 69. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 71. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 72. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 73. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 74. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 77. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 78. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 79. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 81. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 82. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 83. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 84. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 86. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 37. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 38. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 39. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 90. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 91. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 92. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 97. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 98. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 99. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 6. Ah! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 31. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 34. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. 134. Close enough. I'll take it. Oh. 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 Okay. 134 and a half. Lessons to learn in every workout. Thinking that last 2 minutes. I've been doing this a lot. Just trying to find little pockets of rest. I was looking for 15 or 16 reps in the last 2 minutes. But I was constantly eyeing the clock, hoping that I could get 3 seconds here, 4 seconds there. In the end, I think that distracted me. I only had 12 seconds for the last 2 reps, which meant I had to go into them consecutively. And as you saw, my upper body just gave out. If I'd had 3 seconds to shake out, it would have been better, but because I was being so conservative early in the sprint, I didn't have that luxury. So be it, we learn lessons every time. 134 is great, still in my zone of peak performance. And I'm also coming to the end of a summer of upheaval and travel. From next week we're going to be in New Hampshire, and I'm really looking forward to settling into a new routine for me, for my daughter, for my family, and for my training. So given that I've been on the road all summer, you know, my numbers haven't taken a serious knock at all. I'm still a full-blooded level 4 practitioner, eyeing graduation, and so I can hold my head up high, I think. Anyway, enough from me for today. Expect to hear more from me soon this week. If you're new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. And I will see you all very, very soon.